Right now, the National Weather Service has issued a heat advisory that will be in place from noon until 6 this evening for inland Lee, Charlotte, Sarasota, and all of DeSoto County, as heat index values are expected to be between 105 and 110. If you've got to be outside today, drink plenty of water, take breaks. If not, enjoy the AC, especially during those peak afternoon hours. Now, there's not going to be a whole lot of rain on the radar this morning. Quite a bit of shower activity just east here of the Space Coast. But as we look around South Florida, the atmosphere very dry. So we've got a couple of showers here between Key Largo and Marathon. And as we look along the southwest Florida coast, unlike the last couple of days, we don't see a single shower even over the open water. So as we look at the forecast here for today, by lunchtime, we're really dry. The computer model just trying to spit out a couple of small showers, and then later on, a 10 to 20% chance of a very isolated inland shower or thunderstorm, while the majority of us remain dry. Outside right now, our temperature is in the 80s at Page Field, 81 degrees, and those dew point values are sitting around 79. The air temperature cannot fall below that point, and that's why we are so warm here this morning. 83 in Naples, and we've got 80 in Punta Gorda, 80 in Marco as well. So with the dew point values in the upper 70s to near 80, we are at the top of our muggy meter, sitting there at very humid. That's why when you factor it all in today, that those heat index values are going to be closer to 110 here. Arcadia, Lehigh Acres, 108, 106 in Immokalee, and very dangerous because not only is it really hot, but it's going to last longer because of the lack of rainfall. The wind will try to help out this afternoon, getting up near 10. We're forecasting a high temperature of 94 once again today. Sunset time comes at 8:25, where a couple of those isolated storms could be dying down. Record on this date is 98, the average 91, so we're right in between those marks. Cold front off to the north will not move much farther south as this ridge of high pressure is blocking it. And with that ridge and the drier air in place over the state, very isolated showers and storms here today. You see just a scattering of them. Now, by the time we get towards Thursday, we'll see a little more activity. Our rain chance is going to come up to around 60%. It'll drop a little bit on Friday before coming back here over the weekend. Now, in the tropics, the remnants of Cindy continue to move northbound, and right now only has a 10% chance of developing as it moves a little closer towards Bermuda. And even if it were to develop, this is not going to impact the east coast of the U.S. 7-day forecast shows temperatures remaining here in the mid-90s with those showers and storms around. Over the weekend, we're looking at a roughly 60 to 70% chance of rain in those afternoon hours.